Many poultry breeders work hard to improve their flocks. They invest time, effort, and resources into feeding, housing, and selecting birds. Yet, despite all these efforts, some breeding programs still fail to produce consistent results. Chicks may grow unevenly. Traits may not stabilize. Productivity may decline. And sometimes, breeders feel confused about what went wrong. In this educational video, we will discuss the hidden reasons why gamefowl breeding programs fail, and more importantly, how breeders can avoid these common pitfalls. This guide is designed to be transparent, practical, and beginner-friendly, while also offering insights useful for experienced poultry enthusiasts. Understanding these factors can help you build a stronger, healthier, and more consistent flock over time. Lack of clear breeding goals. One of the most overlooked reasons breeding programs fail is the absence of a clear goal. Some breeders simply pair birds without defining what they want to improve. Successful breeding programs usually focus on specific objectives such as improving body structure, enhancing adaptability, stabilizing feather quality, maintaining heritage traits, developing consistent temperament. Without clear goals, breeding becomes random, and random breeding rarely produces predictable results. Breeders who document their objectives often make better long-term progress. Inconsistent selection standards. Another hidden issue is changing selection criteria too frequently. For example, a breeder may prioritize size this season, feather color next season, and temperament the following year. This inconsistency makes it difficult to stabilize traits in future generations. Consistency in selection allows breeders to gradually shape the direction of their flock. Ignoring health foundations. Health is the foundation of any breeding program. Even birds with desirable physical traits may produce weak offspring if overall health is compromised. Common overlooked factors include poor nutrition balance, overcrowded housing, inadequate sanitation, unmanaged parasites, stress from environmental changes. Healthy breeding birds are more likely to produce resilient chicks that can adapt to different conditions. Breeding too many birds at once. Some beginners believe that increasing the number of breeding birds will automatically improve results. However, large breeding groups without proper evaluation can make it harder to track which pairings produce desirable outcomes. Smaller, well-managed breeding groups allow for better observation, record keeping, and decision making. Lack of record keeping. Many breeding challenges occur simply because breeders do not keep detailed records. Important information to document includes hatch dates, growth patterns, health observations, parent combinations, behavioral notes. These records help identify trends over time and guide future breeding decisions. Misunderstanding traits versus bloodline characteristics. Another hidden reason for inconsistent results is confusion between individual traits and stabilized bloodline characteristics. A single bird may display an impressive feature, but this does not always mean the trait will consistently appear in future generations. Stable bloodlines are developed through careful selection across multiple generations, not through isolated observations. Environmental influence on development. Environmental conditions can strongly influence how birds grow and express their traits. Factors such as temperature fluctuations, feed quality changes, space availability, handling frequency, can affect development and performance. Breeders who maintain stable environments often achieve more predictable breeding outcomes. Poor timing in breeding cycles. Timing plays a significant role in breeding success. Breeding birds that are too young or past peak condition may reduce fertility and chick vitality. Understanding seasonal patterns and maturity stages helps breeders plan more effective breeding schedules. Overlooking temperament and adaptability. Temperament is often underestimated in breeding programs. Birds that are excessively fearful or difficult to manage may create challenges in flock stability. Selecting birds with balanced and manageable behavior can contribute to a more productive environment for both breeders and poultry. Lack of long-term vision. Perhaps the most critical hidden reason breeding programs fail is the absence of long-term planning. Improving a flock takes time. It requires patience, observation, and willingness to learn from both successes and mistakes. Breeders who focus on gradual improvement rather than quick results often build stronger and more reliable breeding lines. Influence of trends and popular opinions. Another subtle factor is the tendency to follow trends without proper evaluation. While learning from other breeders is valuable, blindly copying methods without adapting them to your own environment can lead to inconsistent outcomes. Each breeding program operates under unique conditions. Importance of continuous learning. Breeding knowledge evolves over time. Successful breeders often study poultry genetics, observe flock behavior, exchange ideas with other enthusiasts, refine their management practices. Continuous learning helps breeders respond to new challenges and opportunities. Conclusion. Gamefowl breeding does not fail because of a single mistake. It usually fails due to a combination of hidden factors such as unclear goals, inconsistent selection, poor record keeping, environmental challenges, and lack of long-term planning. By understanding these underlying issues, breeders can make more informed decisions and gradually improve the quality and stability of their flocks. Breeding is a journey that rewards patience, responsibility, and dedication. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe for more educational poultry content. Share your breeding experience in the comments. What hidden challenge have you personally encountered in poultry breeding? Your insights may help other breeders learn and grow.